in German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this new video is again your comment. You have commented, so here is the video that guys, can you actually learn German without coaching? Yes or no? Like, it's a big question mark. And yes guys, in this video we're gonna answer in detail that yes or no, can you really study German language without coaching or not? So make sure to subscribe this channel, make sure to follow this channel. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation and brush up classes, interview preparation, 10th, 12th exam preparation. Guys, what not? So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
Can you learn German without coaching? Language learning is a process, and the pattern you have observed, where German language learners who attend coaching centers tend to perform better according to their levels, reflects several well established principles of structured education. Why many learners struggle without guidance? As you have seen, there are many learners struggle without guidance, and it's not because they lack ability but because they lack directions. When you study independently, it often feels flexible and free at first, but over the time, certain challenges start to appear and they quietly slow down your progress. The first reason is no structured progression. Without a clear roadmap, learners jump from one topic to another, a bit of grammar here, some vocabulary there. It feels productive, but in reality, the foundation remains weak. Missing basics later turn into bigger problems. Second problem is lack of feedback. When there is no one to correct you, mistakes stay unnoticed. Wrong pronunciations, incorrect sentence structures, or unnatural usage slowly becomes habit. And the longer they stay, the harder they are to fix. Then comes motivation and consistency issue. Self-study depends entirely on your discipline. Some days you are motivated, other days you are not. Without accountability, learning becomes irregular and progress becomes slow or even stops. Then too many resources, no clarity. Books, apps, YouTubes, and PDFs. Everything is available, but instead of helping, it often creates confusion. What should I follow? Am I doing the right thing? So this overwhelm leads to scattered learning instead of focused growth. Why German specifically benefits from structured learning. German is considered one of the more structural complex languages for learners, particularly because of four grammatical cases, that is nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. Then comes three grammatical genders, that is der, die, das, with no simple pattern. That means you cannot guess the gender of anything. Then comes complex verb conjugations and word order rules. The conjugations are complex because there are two types of verb, regular and irregular, where some of the verbs follow the endings of the conjugation and on the other hand some do not follow any ending. Then you have compound words that require vocabulary depth to decode. Now the question, what coaching centers provide that makes the difference? The first one is level-based curriculum, that is from A1 to C2. Coaching centers follows the CEFR framework, ensuring learners build skills systematically from basic readings at A1 to professional fluency at C2 without skipping critical stages. Second is expert instructions. Qualified teachers identify individual weaknesses and tailor explanations, something no app or textbook can replicate dynamically. Then, speaking practice in a safe environment. Centers create structured opportunities for conversation, role play, and presentations, which is essential because many learners fear making mistakes in real world settings. Then, peer interaction. Learning alongside others at the same level builds confidence, encourages healthy competition, and provides real communicative practice. Fifth, regular assessments. Periodic tests and evaluations ensure learners genuinely consolidate each level before advancing, preventing hollow progress. The sixth point, cultural and contextual learning. Good coaching centers don't just teach grammar, they embed cultural context, idiomatic expressions, and real world usage into lessons.
So guys, how was this this video, I hope now you are aware that you will be studying German yourself or by coaching, because it is very important. A coach should be there and sit over your head to give you each and every tiny thing, tiny detail, because even it is a basic and it is very, very important for you to learn German from German Gyan. So yeah, we'll connect in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.